next thing I want to do is do some science around Minmus. So we're going to accept the Minmus program. So we want to plant a flag on Minmus. And we also want to accept this contract to start exploring Minmus. All I have to do for this is a flyby. And I think that's the only thing I need to do before I start building the Minmus vessel. This will be the vessel that will take us to Minmus. I'll probably do a high flyby and get a low orbit to get even more science. Again, there's nothing in this vessel that I haven't went over before. You know, I guess maybe a slightly different design. We're just sticking 5 liquid fuel engines on a singular large fuel tank, but other than that, this will get us some more science, and it'll get us a lot of money from the Minmus milestones. Now we have a circularized orbit that is on the same plane as Minmus to make this encounter as easy as possible. The delta V image that I'm using says that this should take about 930 delta V. Looks a bit much. We could just do that much. Oh wait, I'm looking at the moon. Oh my god, what am I doing? It's about 930. Yep, looks about right. Maybe go a little bit less. So there we get a Minmus Encounter. So let us angle ourselves toward our maneuver. Now we can simply time warp to our Minmus Encounter. We can go ahead and gather some science here. I want to wait on the 2 consumable ones because I want to get a nice low orbit around Minmus. I'm going to save before we do this in case we don't have enough delta V to return home. Overshot it a little bit, but we should be fine. Okay. Minmus actually looks really beautiful with all of the graphics mods I have installed. Whoops. A little bit too far there. Now I want to just burn prograde a little bit to escape Minmus's SOI. Now, what is happening with our orbit? Okay, we're actually encountering Minmus again. Actually lower our periapsis, but kind of just warp to my apoapsis here. And let's see if we have enough Delta V. Yes, we do. We have a lot. Again, let's just do a very aggressive approach to start. $402 signs from that. We got a lot more than I thought. Those EVA reports really added up, though. A lot of those funds are probably from these contracts, too. Yeah, initiated first flyby, orbit, spacewalk, we've escaped gravitation, returned home. Beautiful. I definitely want advanced landing for these bigger landing struts to help me land on Minmus easier. I also want advanced flight control, mainly for these RCS thrusters. These have a thrust power of 1. For comparison, these have 0.1. So these are 10 times as powerful. These also give us reaction wheels, so just a really nice tech. I also want to unlock these command pods. We get the lander can, we also get the Mark II command pod, which has crew capacity of 2. So again, just kind of nice parts that we're definitely going to need.